Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about Forex statistics and probability. All right. So now one of the biggest mindset shifts in trading is understanding that trading is not about being right all the time. Okay, it's actually about probability. All right. So in simple terms, every trade you take has an uncertain outcome. You cannot predict with 100% accuracy whether price will go up or down, right? Instead, traders rely on probability, which is the likelihood that a certain setup will work over time. A good trading strategy is not one that wins every time, but one that has a positive expectancy, right? So this means that over many trades, the wins outweigh the losses. For example, a strategy might only win 50% of the time, but if the winning trades are larger than the losing ones, the trader can still be profitable over time, right? So this is why risk management is so important. Traders often risk a small amount per trade and aim for a higher reward. Statistics also come into play when backtesting strategies. All right, so by analyzing past data, traders can estimate how often a setup works and what kind of results to expect. The key takeaway is this: think in terms of long-term outcomes, all right, not individual trades. One trade does not matter. Consistency over many trade does. Okay, so this is actually one thing that you should have in mind. One trade doesn't matter. Consistency over many trade does, right? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.